Having trouble getting Discord to open on your PC? Don't worry, in this video I'll show you several ways to fix it. There's no one-size-fits-all solution, so make sure to try each method until you find the one that works for you. First, let's start by clearing Discord's cache data. Open the Start menu and search for Run. Launch the Run app, and in the box that appears, type %appdata% and hit Enter. A folder will open. Look for the one named Discord and open it. Inside, you'll see 3 folders: Cache, Code Cache, and GPU Cache. Right-click on each of them and delete them. If you see an error that says the folders can't be deleted, that just means Discord is still running in the background. Press Ctrl+Alt+Delete and open Task Manager. Search for Discord in the list, right-click it and choose End Task. Then go back and try deleting the folders again. Once they're gone, you're good to go. Don't worry, these folders will be automatically recreated when you reopen Discord. If that didn't solve the problem, try running Discord as an administrator. On your desktop, right-click the Discord shortcut and select Properties. Go to the Compatibility tab. Check the boxes for Disable Full Screen Optimizations and run this program as an administrator. Click Apply, then OK. Still not working? Let's check for any corrupt or missing system files. In the Start menu, search for CMD, right-click Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. In the black window, type sfc/scan now and press Enter. This scan may take a few minutes and will automatically fix any damaged system files. Next, let's make sure your firewall isn't blocking Discord. Open the Start menu and search for Windows Defender Firewall. On the left side, click Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Click Change Settings, then allow another app and select Browse. If you're not sure where Discord is installed, go to your desktop, right-click the Discord shortcut and choose Open File Location. Copy the folder path at the top. Go back to the firewall window, paste that location into the address bar and hit Enter. Select the update file, click Add, and make sure both private and public boxes are checked. Then press OK to save everything. If none of the previous steps worked, your last option is a full clean install of Discord. Open the Start menu and choose Add or Remove Programs. Find Discord in the list, click the 3 dots next to it and hit Uninstall. Once it's removed, head to Discord. Download the latest version for Windows and install it again. Hopefully, one of these steps worked for you. If you're still having issues, drop a comment below and I'll do my best to help. If this video helped you out, please give it a like and consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and see you next time.